Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. So open your YouTube application and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now here, below your username, you can see manage your Google account. So tap on that option. Now here, beside your email, tap the drop-down menu right here and you can see all your accounts. Then tap on manage accounts on this device. And now you can see here accounts and sync. So when you scroll down until the bottom, you can see here the Google. So you just tap on that. So here you just choose the account that you are using on your YouTube. So for example, I will tap this one and then go over to these three dots at the bottom, then tap on remove account. So you are now logged out on your YouTube. Now the second method that you're going to do is go to settings. Now here on settings, tap on the apps and then tap on manage apps. And then right here, you need to search for the YouTube application. And then right here, you can now tap the storage and you can clear the data or clear cache just like this. So when you go back to your YouTube app, you will be signed in again to another account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.